I think the biggest thing is for me is the basics. Take notes. I know the computer systems, everything are great, but it's like Lyle Tools are here. There's so much little stuff that customers want, and I was with a large corporation, mobile, forever, and it's the little things that brings in the big sales. If you take care of the little stuff, the big stuff comes because they think you're not taking care of. Well, I got a broken wrench. Well, it's been 8 months. You have never got it for me. That customer remembers that, and it's just the service is where it's at. And with being here is, if you get service, price, and you got it made, and quality. Those three things. Well, for me being independent, I got a lot of loyal customers because I've been in it so long, and it really makes, for me, it's a whole lot simpler. I don't, when it was a Snap-on, we had a confined area, or Mac Tools, it's in our Columbus area. And, in Matco, all those, you have a route. You only have so many guys, and you have to be in that. With me being an independent, I can go anywhere I want. I mean, like I said, I was just over at Lakeland selling tools, over there, or equipment. And so I can go anywhere.